The tray Spade TC-12 Pro INOX Deluxe meat grinder incorporates stainless steel into every component, from the body to the screw, through the ring, the plate, the self-sharpening knife, the hopper, and finally, the motor housing. The machine is equipped with a single-phase asynchronous induction motor, certified for continuous use. It can deliver a power of 750 watts at 220 volts and at a frequency of 50 Hz, equivalent to 1 horsepower. Fitted with helical gears forged and tempered in oil, it not only reduces operational noise but also ensures prolonged durability. The screw reaches 120 revolutions per minute, managing to produce 120 kilograms of meat per hour. Weighing 25 kilograms and with overall dimensions of 51 by 27 by 45 centimeters, the TC-12 Pro INOX Deluxe easily fits into any work environment, offering an excellent compromise between power, efficiency, convenience, and hygiene.